Here we have a 1995-96 plus 4 2-litre T16. Has the later gearbox, the R380 gearbox, chrome wire wheels, in Connaught green with stone leather pipe green, one of the best colour combinations. Car's recently had a clutch. Main tyres are quite new. Number of oil leaks on the engine were dealt with at the same time as the clutch being changed. It's got a rod mirror, round door mirrors, wind deflectors, walnut dashboard, Moto-lita steering wheel, folding reclining seats. It's a galvanised chassis with the Scuttle Roll Bar behind the dashboard. Chrome wire wheels, which are in really nice condition. Luggage rack, stainless steel exhaust. Optional door handles at this age and extra wing treads. As you can see, bodywork on the car is really clean. Drives well, good service history, includes the original order details. $37,000 miles. Nice later plus 4 2-seater. Thank you for your viewing. Available for Alan White Sports Cars 01234 750 205.